Today we will discuss differentiation of a new function, general exponential function, which is a to the power x. Here a is any constant greater than 1 and x is variable. In very simple step for absolute beginner. Learning a new function a to the power x. A to the power x is the general form of an exponential function of x, whereas e to the power x is a special case of a to the power x where a equal to e. This e to the power x we have already discussed. Now today we will discuss a to the power x, which is most general form, and we will learn how to differentiate a to the power x where a is any constant like 5, 7, etc. Differentiation of a to the power x. ddx of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x into log of a. A is any constant. Notice that a is any constant and base of log is e. So long wherever we are not mentioning any base here, it is by default is e. Wherever it is required, we will mention the base if it is other than e. We will discuss some examples here. So we are referring to that previous formula, ddx of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x into log a, where a is constant. So ddx of 5 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power x log of 5. Similarly, ddx of 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power x into log of 2. A few more examples considering the same formula. ddx of 7 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to ddx of 7 to the power x plus ddx of 3 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power x log 7 and 3 to the power x log 3. Another example, ddx of 5 to the power x minus 2 to the power x is equal to ddx of 5 to the power x minus ddx of 2 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power x log 5, 2 to the power x log 2. In our coming video, we will discuss product and quotient rule.